Hi guys, DK388, and today's video we're going to do something a bit different. We got this two-seater sofa from Argos, has the Habitat range, Remi model. So we ordered it online and we collected it from the store as we couldn't really wait for delivery. So it comes in these two rather large boxes, and we had to make 2 trips as the second box wouldn't quite fit in. But the measurements are on the website if you need to do your measurements, so always check first. So it comes, everything's all sort of fixed, there's no tools required, and it all comes in sections, as you can see here. And it's just a case of just screwing the legs on and slotting all the bits together into the pre-assembled brackets, pre-fitted brackets onto the in each piece of item. Just running through the instructions, it's very straightforward. Probably took us 10 minutes, 15 at the most, to put it all together. So this is as it comes in the box. I think that's one of the cushions, and then there you can see is the base of the sofa, and then you've got a box of 8 legs. These are solid wood with a plastic washer, all threaded, and it's got a felt bottom as well, which is a nice touch, so you're not going to scratch your floor. It's just a case of screwing them into the corners, and that's the base done. And as you can see, the brackets for the arms are already pre-fitted, so it's just a case of slotting them each into the left and right hand sides. No tools required, and just slot them in, and then once they're in, just put your back in again. Brackets already pre-assembled, and it's just a case of slotting it in, giving it a bash to lock it in place, and easy peasy. And that's the back done, and that's the sofa done already. And then just a case of putting the cushions on, which are all zip lined, so if you need to wash them in the future, it's just a case of unzipping it. And I think it's dry and clean only, I believe. And that's the cushions for the back as well, they're zip lined as well. And that's the sofa done already. And then last bit is just the footstool, which comes in 2 parts. You've got your base and then your cushion, which comes with these 2 strips of Velcro just to keep it attached. And that's the base, again with the 4 legs. Put them on, easy peasy, and that's it, job done. And there's your footstool, and then you can have 2 configurations, the footstool loose as it is, as you can see here, or you can put the footstool against the sofa and just rotating the cushion, the long cushion, to an L shape to make it like a chaise lounge, if that's the right word. And then the armrest is quite thin. There is a bit of a foam padding on top. It's not very wide, it's probably wide as my hand. And if you're thinking of putting some storage below, it's probably just under 6 inches. That's something to note if you're putting anything underneath. And then this is our setup now. As you can see, it ties in with our drawers. And thanks for watching.